Happy morning, children. Today let us learn addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Before that, let's see what does regroup mean. Regroup means to rearrange groups in place value to carry out an operation. We use regrouping in addition when the sum of 2 or more digits in the place value column is greater than 9. Regrouping is referred to as carry forward in addition and borrowing in subtraction problems. We begin with addition of 3-digit numbers by regrouping ones. If the sum of the digit in the ones column is more than 9, regroup 10 ones as 110. Here it has been represented using coins. We add 10 1 rupee coin to get 1 10 rupee. Let us see this with an example. Add the numbers 127 and 215. So let's start. Let us regroup them into hundreds, tens and ones and then add them. So there are 100, 2 tens and 7 ones in 127 and 2 hundreds, 1 10 and 5 ones in 215. Let us represent each 100 with a 100 rupee, each 10 with a 10 rupee and each 1 with a 1 rupee. So the number 127 and 215 will be represented with rupees like this. Let us add the rupees in ones column first, then rupees in tens column and finally the rupees in hundreds column. So now 7 1 rupee plus 5 1 rupees is equal to 12 1 rupee. We know that 10 ones is equal to 1 10. So we represent 10 1 rupee as 1 10 rupee. So we regroup 12 ones as 1 10 rupee and 2 1 rupee. Now add the tens, that is 1 10 rupee plus 2 10 rupee plus 1 10 rupee, that is equal to 4 tens. At last add the hundreds, that is 100 plus 200, that is equal to 300s. So we get in all 300, 4 tens and 2 ones, which is equal to 342. Thus the sum of 127 and 215 is equal to 342. Now we will directly add the numbers 127 and 215. Let us look at the process of addition of these numbers. Step 1. Place the numbers in hundreds, tens and ones column. That is 127 added with 215. Step 2. Add the digits in ones column. That is 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Regroup 12 ones, that is 12 ones is equal to 110 and 2 ones. Carry 110 to tens column and write 2 in ones column. Step 3. Add the digits in tens column. That is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. Step 4. Finally add the digits in hundreds column. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we get the answer as 342. 127 plus 215 is equal to 342. Now let's add 3-digit numbers by regrouping tens. If the sum of the digit in the tens column is more than 9, then regroup 10 tens as 100. Here it has been represented using coins and rupees. If we add 10 rupee coin, you will get 100 rupee. Let us see this with an example. Add 292 and 122. Let us regroup them into hundreds, tens and ones and then add them. So there are 200, 9 tens and 2 ones in 292 and 100, 2 tens and 2 ones in 122. Let us represent each 100 with a 100 rupee, each 10 with a 10 rupee and each one with a 1 rupee. So the numbers 292 and 122 will be represented with rupees like this. Let us add the rupees in the ones column first, then the rupees in tens column and finally the rupees in hundreds column. Step 1. Add the rupees in ones column. So 2 1 rupees plus 2 1 rupees is equal to 4 1 rupees. Step 2. Now add the rupees in tens column, that is 9 10 rupees plus 2 10 rupees, that is equal to 11 10 rupees. We know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So we represent 10 rupees as 100 rupees. We regroup 11 tens as 100 rupee and 110 rupee. So we carry forward 10 tens as 100 and 110 rupee. Step 3. Now add the rupees in hundreds column, that is 100 rupee plus 200 rupees plus 100 rupee, that is equal to 400 rupees. So we get 4 hundreds, 1 tens and 4 ones, which is equal to 414. Thus the sum of 292 and 122 is 414. Now we will directly add the numbers 292 and 122. Let us look at the process of addition of these numbers. Step 1. Place the numbers in hundreds, tens and ones column, that is 292 added with 122. Step 2. Add the digits in ones column, that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Step 3. Add the digits in tens column, that is 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Regroup 11 tens, that is 11 tens is equal to 100 and 110. Carry 100 to hundreds column and write 110 in tens column. Step 4. Finally, add the digits in hundreds column, that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, we get the answer as 414. 292 plus 122 is equal to 414. Now, let us add 3-digit numbers by regrouping hundreds. If the sum of the digit in the hundreds column is more than 9, regroup 10 hundreds as 1000. Here it has been represented using rupees. If we add 10 100 rupees, you will get 1000 rupees. Let us see this with an example. Add 792 and 403. So let's start. Place the numbers in place value chart, that is in the ones, tens and hundreds column. 792 added with 403. Step 1 is add the digits in ones column. That is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 ones. Step 2. Add the digits in tens column. That is 9 plus 0 is equal to 9 tenths. Step 3. Add the digits in hundreds column. That is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 hundreds. We know that 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. So 11 hundreds can be represented as 1000 and 100. Carry forward 1000 to the thousands column. Step 4. Add the numbers in thousands column. That is 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1000. Thus the sum of 792 and 403 is 1195. Now let us add 3-digit numbers by regrouping ones, tens and hundreds. Sometimes ones, tens and hundreds column are regrouped at the same time. Let us see this with an example. Add 876 and 247. So let us start. Place the numbers in the place value chart, that is in the ones, tens and hundreds column. 876 is added with 247. Step 1 is add the digits in ones column. That is 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 ones, which is nothing but 1 tens and 3 ones. Carry over 1 10 to the tens column and write 3 ones in ones column. Step 2 is add the digits in tens column. Here it is 1 plus 7 plus 4, which is equal to 12 tens. Regroup 12 tens as 100 and 2 tens. Carry 100 to hundreds column and write 2 tens in tens column. Step 3. Add the digits in hundreds column. That is 1 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 11 hundreds. Regroup 1100 as 1000 and 100. Carry over 1000 to the thousands column and write 100 in hundreds column. Step 4. Add the digits in thousands column. That is 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1000. Thus, the sum of 876 and 247 is 1123. Now I will give you some assignment problems related to these topics. Kindly do it and submit it. Thank you. Have a nice day.